Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to remind you real quick about watering. You want to make sure that you're getting enough water on your lawn right now. Temperatures are starting to rise, starting to warm up, so you don't want to get this wrong. It's time to start really paying attention to that, or else all the work you've done this year, your fertilizers, your pre-emergence, your mowing, it will all go to waste if you don't get this one thing right. So make sure you get enough water on your lawn. I've said this before, talked about it before. You want to get 1.5 to 2 inches of water on your lawn per week, 1.5 to 2 inches of water per week, and you can subtract any rainfall from that as well. And those need to be split up into half-inch increments. So you need to either be watering 3 times per week, and a half-inch per watering, or 4 times a week, a half-inch per watering. That's the best way to do it. That's a deep watering for your lawn, and that's going to really help it thrive and get you the best results. So make sure you get that right. A good place to start is as far as knowing how much you're putting out per watering. For spray heads, 15 to 20 minutes. That's about, or going to be about a half-inch per watering. For rotors, it's going to be 35 to 40 minutes per zone. So that's not scientific. That's not exact. Every system is different, but that's a good starting point, and that can get you pointed in the right direction. So make sure you do that. Don't water every single day for 10 minutes or something like that. That's not good. And don't water just one day a week, all night long. That's not good either. Split it up into half inch of water per watering, and do that 3 to 4 times per week. Hope that helps. If you need any help with that, let us know. We don't do a lot of irrigation work ourselves, but we can point you in the right direction and get you the help you need. So let us know. Thanks.